Hello friends. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we will learn compound words, two words joined to make one new word. They are easy, fun, and very useful in daily life. So, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Sun. Flower. Sunflower. Sun. Flower. Sunflower. Basket. Ball. Basketball. Basket. Ball. Basketball. Tooth. Brush. Toothbrush. Tooth. Brush. Toothbrush. Cup. Cake. Cupcake. Cup. Cake. Cupcake. Key. Board. Keyboard. Key. Board. Keyboard. Moon. Light. Moonlight. Moon. Light. Moonlight. Rain. Coat. Raincoat. Rain. Coat. Raincoat. Blue. Tooth. Bluetooth. Blue. Tooth. Bluetooth. Bed. Room. Bedroom. Bed. Room. Bedroom. Snow. Man. Snowman. Snow. Man. Snowman. Hair. Cut. Haircut. Hair. Cut. Haircut. Foot. Print. Footprint. Foot. Print. Footprint. Great job, everyone. See you in the next lesson.